Hampshire College, an ecosystem as fragile as it is fascinating. Today we examine a common calamity in the lives of this institution's angsty youth and see how they fare in one of nature's oldest trials. Fall, New England. A rich sheath of frost settles on the grass, but Massachusetts' sun keeps the long winter at bay. For now. Despite the high winds gusting in from the southeast, to most it is a Thursday like any other. Evening. The Dakin residences are abuzz. Having just returned from the dining hall, students engage in a plethora of nightly rituals, from jamming to cramming to the hunt for companions for post-consumption coma coitus and cuddles. And then, disaster strikes.
But it's so cold and you're so warm.
But imagine how hot it'll be if we're on fire.
Dude, there's no way this is a real alarm.
Well, either way, it's loud as shit.
It'll be done in a second.
You or the drill?
Fuck. Mom, fire alarm's going off. I gotta go. Should we get out of here?
I'd rather die.
Well, Carl Jung would tell us it's the collective consciousness motivating people to perform various acts that they may not wish themselves to instigate. Freud would say it's just a big lever coming down in your hand. I would think it's the guy closest to the box.
No, it couldn't have been me.
Set off the fire alarm? I mean...
Yeah, we were being pretty safe. It was a typical class night, so we had...
Like 5, maybe 6.
13, 25 people smoking a blunt.
Well, we had the window open, so...
It got pretty cold, so I started a bonfire in the lounge.
I've just been working on my Div 3.
Oh, what's your div, dude?
I've been eternalizing full-size silhouettes in vague smoke.
And working on my interpretive smoke signals.
Someone peed from a balcony and soaked my underwear from the waist up, so I just had to microwave those briefs dry.
Yeah, I think I smelled some popcorn burning on L6, but I'm not trying to point fingers.
Guys, you can't film in here.
This phone call to Antonio's Pizza is the only record that we have of validating the existence of this event.
Do you have any gluten-free vegan pizza? Uh-huh. And is that cheese made from cruelty-free tofu? I'm sorry, one more time? Also, what's your seed of the month? Oh shit. Oh, dude, do you hear this? Oh, man. I think there might be a fire here. Should I go? I guess I'll be in Sandy's room. Come knock on their door when you get here. You haven't told me your order.
Of course, no Hampshire story is ever complete without a real administrative version.
This was just a scheduled drill. I don't know why you're making a movie about it.
Hey, what's up? I'm Treat. Mom, if you're watching, call me. She's crazy, man. You should meet her.